Okay. Let's move to the next example. The temperature example is always very important. The figure shows a thermometer. The readings are in centigrades. Find the difference between the temperatures indicated by the points A and B. So the point A, the temperature is minus 10 degrees centigrade. On the point B, the temperature is like 15 degrees centigrade. So you need to find the difference between the temperatures. So it could be 15 degrees centigrade minus 10 degrees centigrade. So what we are going to get is 15 plus 10, and it would be 25 degrees centigrade. Difference, what is the meaning of difference? Difference always means to subtract. And because you have the first temperature is, whenever you have to find the difference, move from second to the first, right? 15 minus 10 degrees centigrade, right? B minus A. You can never write A minus B. Keep this thing in your mind. You can never write minus 10 minus 15. This will be wrong. Okay, we have to move from backward to the forward like this. Okay, next is, this puzzle is very interesting and important. So we are going to solve this puzzle together in just 10 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. And so minus 5 minus 6 would be
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
very good.
Minus 11.
Very good. 0 plus minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus, it's minus 47 plus 16. Answer, hurry up.
Minus 30, minus 31.
5 minus 27.
Minus 22.
Minus 22.
Okay, it's 0 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Wrong.
Oh, plus 4.
Plus
4.
minus 88 plus 70.
Minus
Minus
18.
8. Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 18.
18.
Minus 88 plus 70. So you have to subtract them. 808 and 87. Minus 18. Yes. Okay. Minus 38 minus 10. What about Shanze, Ishmael? Why are you not answering?
Minus 48.
Okay. 2 minus 9.
Minus 48.
Minus 7.
Okay. 5 minus 11.
Minus 6.
6 plus, it's minus 6 plus 17 maybe.
11.
11.
11. Okay. 9 plus 14.
11.
And it would be 9 plus 14.
23.
23. So
23.
8 minus 6 maybe.
Yes.
It's
So 2.
And the last one is minus 7 minus 9.
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Okay.
Minus 16.
Okay. So now we are going to plot them in the boxes. Minus 11 will be A. Where is minus 11? It's here, so it's going to be A. Minus 8 is going to be T. Minus 31 is going to be P. Minus 22 O. Okay.
Miss, for A part, there are many others, so we can go like from left to right and by saying where is minus 11.
Okay, so minus 11
For
A, yes, A here minus 11 and A here minus 11. And any else minus 11? No. Okay. So S we have, for S it is 4. Okay. Minus 18 Y.
Yes, there's one more 4
Okay. S. Okay.
after Y.
And minus 18 was Y. Okay. Then we have
Okay,
N.
ma'am.
N is minus 48.
Here.
Okay. E is minus 7. Students, help me find out the numbers. Okay. E was minus 7.
D is minus 6.
D is minus
First
4.
value will
It's in
be
the last.
Can you guess what it is? R is 11. Who is going to guess? Okay. U is 23. H is 2.
It's he sprays and water on
Minus 16
your
was
head.
water. Yes. Okay. He sprays. 2 was H.
Yes,
There
2
was
was
2
H.
H. Okay. It's good. So he
And
sprays
minus
water
22
on.
was O.
Minus 22 was, oh yes, written. So he sprays water on your head. Why oh you are off. Okay. So finally we get the statement. Okay, let's move on. So this is the thing that we are going to do today. Are all adding and subtracting integers. So this was very easy. Okay. So 6 plus minus 2 will be
Minus 4,
It will be 4.
everyone
4.
will answer. Minus 5 plus 8.
3,
4 minus 10.
Minus
6,
5.
minus
Oh,
6,
minus 6.
Okay. Minus 1. Minus 7.
8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Shanti, is your networking good? Okay. 9 plus minus 3.
6.
Minus 11. Minus 5.
minus 16.
16.
Minus 10 plus 2.
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
1 minus 8.
minus 7,
Okay, good.
Minus 7.
This one, evaluate the following. Minus minus 7.
Positive
plus
7.
Positive 7. 5
Plus
minus 5 minus minus 3.
8,
5 plus 3, so it would be 8. Minus 4 minus 7.
minus 3,
Minus 3.
No.
Minus 11.
Minus 11. Because we have the same signs. Whenever we have same signs, we're going to add them and put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, it's minus 8 and minus minus plus 2. So it would be
Minus
minus
6.
Minus 6.
okay, minus 1 and plus 10.
9,
9. Minus 8 minus 3.
Minus 11.
minus 11,
11.
6 minus
Plus
9.
11.
Minus 11. Because you have to put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 8, so the sign will be minus. 6 minus
minus
9
2,
minus 3.
Oh, minus 10. Okay.
2 plus 7, it would be 9.
9.
Now they are a bit tricky questions. They involve 3 numbers. So we are going to solve them in the same way. Just the questions will be a bit bigger. 4,
Plus,
it
plus,
would be
minus.
4 plus minus 7 minus minus 3. So first of all, you're going to just solve all the brackets. So 4, you know that plus minus opposite signs
4
will be equal to minus
minus
7.
7
And same signs are going to
minus
result in plus. So
plus
it
3.
will be plus 3. So first of all, you have to just, what is the first task? To solve the brackets. On the second task, you have to move from left to right. So 4 minus 7 will, you have to solve first two numbers first. Leave 3. Leave 3 and just solve these two numbers. 4 minus 7 would be,
Minus 3.
Minus
Minus
3.
3.
and put the plus 3 as it is over here. Then you
0.
have minus 3 plus 3, which would be equal to 0. So in this way, you have to solve the questions which contain 3 numbers. Let's solve some more questions. We have minus 3, minus 5, plus minus 9. The first task is to solve the brackets. It will be minus 3, minus 5. Opposite signs will result. Plus minus are opposite signs,
Minus
so it will result in minus 9. So now solve first two numbers. It will result minus 3, minus 5,
minus
and
2.
8. Iman. It's going to
Okay,
result
yes.
in minus,
I didn't see the minus actually.
and minus minus going to come in the same way like here. So we have minus 8, minus 9. What will be the answer?
17.
Yes, the answer would be minus 17. Next question is 1 minus 8 minus minus 8. Okay. The first step is to solve the brackets. 1 minus 8 minus minus plus 8. So we are going to minus, okay, we're going to solve the first two numbers from left to right. 1 minus 8 would be minus 7, and plus 8 is going to come like this. So minus 7 plus 8 would be plus 1.
Plus.
Okay. So the next question is,
Miss, were you canceling the 8s?
this was another method, but I thought I should go with the same method.
Okay.
Minus 2 plus minus 1 minus 6. So first step is to solve the brackets. Minus 2, so plus minus minus 1 minus 6. Second step is to solve the first two numbers. Minus 2 minus 1 would be minus
Minus 3.
and
3.
minus 6. So finally minus
Minus
3 minus
9.
6 minus 9.
Minus.
Next question is 8 minus minus 9 plus 1. So it's going to be 8. Same signs are going to
Plus 9.
result in plus 9 plus 1. So
Plus
first two numbers, 8 plus 9 is 17 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 18. Okay. Next question is minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. In the first step, you're going to solve the brackets. So minus 5, opposite signs are going to result in negative.
yes.
Opposite signs always result in negative, Iman. Negative 2. So we are going to solve first two ones. Minus 5 minus 3 would be,
Minus 8.
and minus 2 is going to come along with. Minus 8 minus 2 would be,
Minus 10.
next we have 6 plus minus 5 minus minus 8. So we have 6. Opposite sign, minus 5.
Answer is 9.
Same sign, plus
Plus
8. So 6 minus 5 is 1 plus
1.
8, which is going to be equal to,
And plus 8. Answer is 9.
okay. So we are on the last one. 2 minus minus 7 and minus 8. It's going to be 2 plus 7
2
minus
plus
8.
7.
2 plus
9.
7 would be 9 minus 8. It would be equal to 1. We are done with all these questions. Okay. So, but you need to do all these process by your hand to get them expert. Now we have to find the values of each of the following. So, again the same method. First of all, solve the brackets. So it's 23 plus minus 11. So what we are going to get is, now you people are going to solve the questions.
Plus minus.
Ishmael, can you understand?